So now we are going to prepare the project that is called as name of the project is fishing game project. So this fishing game project is having, look at this. So this is the fish and this is the portion I have taken. This fish is taken upside. So it is captured, fish is captured. Now second fish, it is also taken. It is also coming here. The first fish which is captured, I have taken out, and now second fish I am going to capture in the pond, in the lake, and it is touching here, and when you are touching here it is also captured. So this is called as preparation of fishing game. So how it is prepared? So there is a requirement of some materials, and that material I will tell you. So this magnetic fishing game require the material. First we are calling to this as a arm, with the help of which we are going to start the fishing. So it is holding in this way and capturing the fishing. To that arm there is a requirement of thread. This thread is also important, which is used to capture the fish. After that it also require the magnet. So this is the magnet having the poles, north pole and south pole. So this magnet is very important in this project. After that we also require, that is the fish cords. So this is the cords, this is made up of paper and which is having the drawing of the fish. First is there, second is there, then third is there, and fourth is there. So you will require the more amount of fish also, depending upon requirement how many fishes you are going to prepare. So that is required, and it also requires, that is called as the paper clips. So this is called as paper clip. So this U pins you also use in the stationaries. It's a very easily available material. So this is the paper, we are calling to this as a paper clips. But to this fish there is a paper clip is attached, and it is done by means of rounded tape. So this tape is having the two-way conditions, that is called as rounded tapes. So this rounded tape is very important, and it is done for the process of sticking to this. Now this, we are taken the fish cord and it is attached to the rounded tape. So rounded tape is taken and from this sticking is taken out. Now it is ready and it is attached here in this way. After attaching, this paper clip is taken and it is attached to this fish. So this our fish is ready for capturing. Okay, so this is fish number 1. Now we can also prepare the fish number 2. So we have to take out the sticking. So it is having the papers, this paper which is taken out from one side, it is taken out, and in second side there is also the another side which is also having the paper which is having stickiness, that is taken out. After taking out, it is attached to the fish. It's a bottom portion, here it is attached. After sticking, it is a two-way sticks. Now this paper clip is taken here and it is attached to this. Now this is our 4 fishes we have prepared: fish number 1, fish number 2, fish number 3 and fish number 4. After doing this, we are taking the thread. So this is our thread and this is our arm. So one end of the thread is taken to this arm, it is taken out and it is having a knot to it. That thread is now completely attached for our stick, which is used for fishing purpose. One end is attached to this arm, and now second end is having, this is called as the circular magnet. This circular magnet is also taken and the thread, one end is attached to the arm and second end is passing through this magnet. After passing through this magnet, So one end of the thread is taken to the magnet and it is taken a proper knot so that it is having this material is likewise this, it is swinging in this way. So look at this, it can move. This our arm is having like a thread and it's having the magnet. Okay, now it as it passes towards the fish gets stick here and it is taken away. So this I will capture one of the fish from the pond. So this is the fish catching. One fish is taken away. Now we are going for the second fish in this way, and the second fish is also stick and it is coming out. So I have already taken the second fish. Second fish is in my pocket. Now it is ready for the cook. Now it is also taken, and here in the pond there is a so many fishes is there. So we are taking here and capturing. Now I have captured the fish number 3. So this is fish number 3. It is in my pocket now. Now fish number 4. So I have taken here. Yes, it is taken away. So this sticking fish I have taken and this fish is taken away. So in this way I have captured all the 4 fishes from the pond, and that is called as, we are calling to this as a magnetic fishing game. So it is magnetic fishing game we have prepared very easily. It's a very simple techniques by using the magnetic effect. How it is done? So what is science here? So we are use the science that this magnet will attract the material which is made up of generally steel or iron. So our magnet is there, and what we have done, we have taken this fish, but that fish cord is having the downside, it is having the paper clip. It is made up of stainless steel, and stainless steel is attracted towards the magnet. Means stainless steel is taken in downside, it appears like a normal fish, but below it there is a stainless steel is present, and the stainless steel get attracted towards the magnet because of the magnetic field. You know that magnet is having the magnetic lines of force and magnetic effect is there. With the help of magnetic effect we are taking, this is the magnet comes here and it's sticking here. So along with the magnet the stick, the fish is taken. Means magnetic property is the base of this project, and it is very easily done. The material which is you want to make that project is easily available in the market, and you can also do it. So it's a very simple project. It is very easy for making, and it is very interesting. So that's all about this project. We will see the next project next time.